and hold and hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light the world. Take your candle, go light the frustrated. See how he's tried to light his own candle some other day. See how the sins she's been robbed and lied to still holds a candle without a flame. So carry your
As we stand together holding our candles, we slowly realize that each flame carries a shared story, our story as preservist teachers. This candle lighting symbolizes the transfer of knowledge, wisdom, and values from our teachers and mentor to us. As we prepare to step into the teaching profession, it is a moment of reflection, a moment of gratitude, and a moment of responsibility, all wrapped into a single gentle flame. As the candle continues to glow, we are reminded that teaching is not only about textbooks, exams, or lesson plans. Teaching is about touching lives. It is about being alive in the lives of our future students, especially during moments when they feel lost, discouraged, or unsure of their direction. Like this candle, we are called to ignite curiosity, inspire hope, and help shape not only minds, but also characters, values, and dreams. Every smile we encourage, every word of guidance we give, every patience we show, becomes a small flame that can make a big difference in the life of a child. The candle lighting also reflects sacrifice, dedication, and commitment. Just as the candle slowly melts while giving light, we understand that being a teacher means giving our time, energy, and compassion in service of others. We will spend countless hours preparing lessons, correcting papers, and finding new ways to reach every student. We will face challenges, doubts, and moments of fatigue. Yet in the sacrifice, we find meaning because every learner we guide, every dream we help nurture, and every life we touch become a reflection of our purpose. Teaching is not just a job. It is a calling, a vocation that demands our hearts as much as our minds. This moment marks our transition from being learners to becoming future educators. With this candle in our hands, we carry the light of those who came before us, the guidance of our mentors, and the dreams of our future students. We carry it as a reminder that teaching is more than lessons. It is love in action. It is service, and it is a legacy. Sa liwanag ng kandilang ito, bitbit namin ang mga paalaala na magsisilbing gabay sa aming tatahaking profesyon. Ang guro ay parang kandila. Habang nagbibigay ng liwanag sa iba, unti-unti niyang inuhubog ang mundo sa pamamagitan ng kaalaman at pag-asa. As we move forward, may this light remind us every day of why we choose this path. May it remind us that even the smallest acts of guidance, care, and encouragement can make a difference. And may we always strive to be the kind of teachers who do not only educate minds, but also touch hearts, inspire dreams, and shape futures. Let this candle be not only a symbol, but a promise that we will continue to shine, guide, and serve with dedication, patience, and unwavering love for our students and to the profession we are about to embrace. Thank you so much.